This is actually the best room in the house that's not actually a room. It's my backyard.
Whoa. This is insane. Pawn Stars is going well.
I love
This
it.
place is awesome.
Hashtag humble brag. Thursday night on Celebrity Home Raiders, we got a rare look inside the house of Rick Harrison, the man you know best from the hit show Pawn Stars.
Rick,
Yeah.
I kind of feel like I fell in the rabbit hole.
Alice in Wonderland, but a little bit more macabre, maybe.
The keyholes I've noticed all around the house. Is that significant anyway?
My wife really likes them.
Gonna be a little pricey when you need to change all those locks, Ricky.
So this is the garage where I got some of my toys.
Wow. 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 Give me the rundown, the inventory. How
Between
many?
cars and motorcycles, I have 29.
29 cars and motorcycles, keyholes all over the house. How many keys does this guy have?
Okay, you said this was the slow one.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord, you're a wild man.
You know what they say, Pawn Stars do it faster. Looking for more to watch this weekend? Then watch this on Netflix. The Croods features the world's first family as they venture out of their comfy cave discovering the new world around them. And only a Neanderthal would try and find the Croods anywhere else than Netflix. What's that sound they make between all the numbers? That's what I'm always wondering.